guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We are at Ace Karts today. We are go karting with the Porsche Club of Victoria. The weather is not good. Look at that. It is raining. These go karts do not have wet weather tyres, so it is going to be slippery today. We have bought bags of spare clothes because we're going to get wet, obviously, but we're going to have a belter of a night. Competition evening, it's pairs, so there's 2 of us in a series. There will be pit lane changes, qualifying as well, a little bit like the Formula 1. So it's going to be interesting to see how we go tonight. We have bought spare clothes galore because we're going to get soaked tonight. I don't know how they work over there. You see, like, they're a little 2-seater go-kart, but they've actually got 2 steering wheels. It looks like they've only got 1 set of pedals though, so I wonder how that kind of works. There's always a quick kart, so we're going to have to kind of suss out to see which is the quick one, because there's always a dodgy donkey one and there's always a quick one, and we need to find the quick one. Here's the circuit. It's going to be a little bit interesting in the wet because those apexes are probably going to be where the puddles are.
As you can see, it is a very wet track out there. So my best tip to everyone that's going out, just make sure around the major corners, let go of the accelerator, keep on tapping around. Think of it as more of a drifting track today, rather than a dry track where you go as fast as possible. It's more about handling today.
We're prepping for qualifying. We're with Suzette. She's actually taken one of the go-karts right down at the end. So we've got 10 minutes of qualifying. Then I hop in, I'll do my qualifying, and then that determines how we line up on the grid. It is wet, and we've already seen some people. I don't know if they're actually going to get around corner 1. So corner 1 here, normally coming out of the back end of corner 1, people are now slipping all over the place because it's wet. So it's smooth, steady today, all about handling. I think there's going to be a pile up on corner 1. Here's Suzette, number 24. There she goes. So that's Suzette, there she goes. Cold, warm?
Right hand down is a bit hairy.
Huh?
Right hand down is a lot harder than left hand down, just for unknown reason.
Qualifying is finished. We qualified 10th out of a massive 12. So we've got a Bathurst style race. These are going to race for about 20 minutes. And then we come in, we do a quick pit lane change, and then I'm in. So I'm hoping Suzette rockets through the pack. Except we started off 10th and now I think we're 13th or 12th. We're now last. That's Suzette! She's off in the grass. How'd you go? You go? I think this is where I say sorry, isn't it? Because I think I may have thrown away our tent.
Mate, you lost it 15 times. I lost it 3. I'm thinking, no, I can't let the team down because I was pushing it and having a great time. I went, no, be serious, Suzette. Can't let the team down. You go out there.
We got the results in. So I'm going to go from last all the way to first. Okay. So 12th place, last place, fast and furious.
Hey, look out!
How did they go slower than us?
So 11th place is suspended license. DGR. You guys, you both got the exact same best lap time. Both of you guys got 57.610 on the dot. And you got down the last lap as well.
Whoa!
So,
In the jeans.
both of you get to chair this. Well done, guys.
Well, there we go. We were absolutely abysmal. We went from 10th to 11th. We were last at some point. I genuinely don't think I helped the cause at all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Our driving was awful. I hope you have a great one. See you guys. Bye.